Hi, I would like to schedule an appointment, please.
Of course. What kind of appointment are you looking to book?
I need to see the dentist.
Great. Let me check the schedule. When would you like to come in?
Do you have any availability tomorrow?
I'm sorry, tomorrow is fully booked. The next available slot is on Friday.
That works for me. Can I book a time in the afternoon?
Sure, we have a slot at 2:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Please go ahead and book it for me.
All right, your appointment is confirmed for Friday at 2:30 p.m. We'll see you then.
Thank you so much.